Lesley Joseph has enjoyed a decades-long career on stage and in the beloved sitcom Birds of a Feather. The Olivier Award-nominated actress opened up about working with the iconic singer, David Bowie, before he reached the heights of global fame and notoriety. The 77-year-old recalled working with the Starman hitmaker when the pair were relatively unknown in the entertainment industry. Born David Robert Jones became professionally known as David Bowie when his music career soared. Lesley worked with the singer and actor in the early 60s on her first ever live show but admitted she regretted not continuing a friendship with him. "My first television was Live with David before he became known as David Bowie," she told Express.co.uk. She explained, "I had just left drama school and I was living in an agent's house renting a room. The agent came down and he said, 'Oh Lesley, do you want to do live television?' It was on Thames Television in Teddington, and that's when television went out live in 1967 or 1968. He said, 'You will do it with a friend of mine.' At the time I didn't know it was David Bowie." Lesley shared that she and David would travel daily to Teddington for rehearsals, and the singer had often asked the actress to come and visit his arts lab. In the South London suburb of Beckenham, David co-founded an arts laboratory at the 310s pub now called the Rat and Parrot. It was during this time the star had been honing his craft and it became a centre for attracting up-and-coming talent. During this time, Lesley explained the pair worked together on Thames Television. "David and I would travel out every day to Teddington to rehearse," she said. "We were playing hippies in a police station. It was at the time of Mary Quant when you had this amazing makeup. Your eyelashes would be painted on." She continued, "We did it live and I always remember him saying, 'You should come and see me at the arts lab,' and I never did. That was the one regret I had for the rest of my life. I never continued my friendship with David Bowie."
From above.